Hello, I'm Flora from Yitong. Many of you may care about our product and quality. So today, join me for a quick tour to see the real capability behind our projects. It's a busy day. Before we see the workshops, let me share our foundations. Our entire operation runs on ISO systems. This structured approach is built into our DNA, ensuring quality, sustainability, and safety in everything we do. This is where your products come to life. Our R&D team doesn't just design, they are audit-proven, having successfully met the strict standards of partners like Siemens, and Schneider. This experience ensures we speak your language of quality from day one. And here is a critical step for reliability. This controlled environment is our commitment to protecting sensitive electronics we built for you, guaranteeing their performance year after year. Now let's take a quick 5-minute drive to our base tour. Here is your HVAC equipment and the motors are produced. This is where precision and power meet. You can see so many machinery and skilled workers in action, working together to make sure we meet our deadline without compromising on quality. These are our crown jewels. These testing facilities and labs, including these 300 kilowatts SOP difference testing labs. Its true value is not just the hardware, but also the system behind it. We undergo and pass rigorous annual audits from China CNX, Artex, IECX, EAC, KCS bodies. This constant validation is your guarantee that our products are reliable. So from front gate to final tests, what you see is a partner built for reliability. So I'm proud to represent Yitong and confident we can add value to your projects. Another thing, we will be at the PAC 2025. Welcome you to come to our booth for coffee and a chat. See you there.